Now we're going to review IM order advice. This particular component you can see again is a checkbox grid. We call these process grids. Again, it has a filter on the right and the result set is in the middle. Once more, I can actually make edits here. So the idea is to manage your orders by reorder level and have it look at requirements in the database for things that you need to reorder from a purchasing standpoint. So let's take a look at how this works. Again, order pick, again, IM order advice comes back and tells me what I need to reorder. Now, it's not just view only, it's actually taking action. As a purchasing guy, I might say, I'm not just going to buy 88, I'm going to go ahead and buy 1,000. I'm going to override the system. When I step off the line, it says checkbox yes. And if I want, I can print right here. Notice there's a create PO button. Let's watch what happens. So what I just did is I not only created a PO, I released it, and it selected the default vendor for the item, and it printed it. So I did 3 things all in one step. It's a really quick way to get some automation going for your purchasing people. All right, let's take a look at another component.